Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo, to this speaking class for practicing spoken English.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to practice today.
Great. Today we will practice what we learned before: nationalities, languages, personal pronouns, and the verb to be, through 3 exercises. First, we have shadowing to train your ear and repeat with natural rhythm. Second, we have read aloud to practice pronunciation and confidence with a short text. Third, we have describe the picture to speak about what you see using simple sentences.
That sounds clear and useful.
Perfect. Let us start with shadowing. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen and repeat right after me, keeping the rhythm simple and clear.
Okay, I will listen and repeat.
I am Mexican. I'm learning English. You are American. You're very friendly. He is Brazilian. He's not British. She is French. She's Italian. It is a language class. It's not difficult. We are beginners. We're learning Spanish. They are Chinese. They're learning Japanese.
Are you Canadian?
Yes, I am. Read aloud. Great work with shadowing, Nexo. In read aloud, you will read the text first, and then the viewer should pause the video and read it calmly.
I am ready. My name is Anna, and I am Mexican. I am at a small language club today. My friend Leo is Brazilian, and he is learning English with me. 2 students are Canadian, and they are very friendly. We are not teachers. We are beginners. The room is quiet, and it is a good place to speak slowly.
Excellent. Nexo, you did it well. Now it is your turn, so pause the video and read the text aloud.
Take your time and speak clearly.
Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now, describe the picture means describing what you see, trying to use the words on screen and the grammar we studied.
I can try it.
Great. Nexo, you try first, and after that, it is the viewer's turn.
In the picture, 6 students are in a bright language classroom. They are around a round table. Maria is Mexican, and Tom is American. They are reading small cards with languages: English, Spanish, French, and Japanese. On the wall, there is a world map. A Chinese student and an Italian student are smiling. Nexo is near the window, and he is ready to speak. The room is friendly, and it is not noisy.
Nice description. Nexo, viewer, now it is your turn. So pause the video and describe the picture in your own way, using the words shown.
Short sentences are okay, right?
Exactly. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, American. She is American. They speak English. Now pause and speak. And little by little, you will do better.